We had a little race with Porsche and overtook it. Plane spotting at our route, Kuthiran Tunnel, a 6-lane tube-shaped tunnel. Google started leading us on the wrong route, the Kaveri River, often referred to as the Ganga of South. Good morning everyone. Hope everyone doing great. In our last vlog, we had traveled from Tirupati to Kochi in our Grand Vitara. If you haven't watched it yet, be sure to check it out. Now it's 6 in morning and we are returning back from Maradu. Maradu is a part of Ernakulam district in Kerala. Since Kochi is adjacent, we refer Kochi and Ernakulam as same. If you want to visit Kochi, you may need to travel until Ernakulam either by train or flight. Road network is also very good. This route also passes close to airport. As you can see, it's still dark and we are traveling on NH66 until Edapalli junction. Then we will take a ride towards NH544. We will be following the same route as before while coming from Tirupati. The total distance is 697 kilometers and according to Google, it should take around 12 hours and 30 minutes to reach. But let's be real. We are definitely going to take food and coffee breaks along the way. I forget to mention coffee in Kerala is absolutely superb. Try it once and you will never forget its strong, rich flavor. Also, you may be wondering why I am driving slow and no high beams. Even some roads are pitch black. Kerala Motor Vehicle Department (MVD) has started imposing fines for speeding above speed limit and for extra lights which can blind opposite direction travelers. So here is a tip for Kerala. Tip 1. Try driving under speed limit. I guess it's 80 km per hour. Speed cameras are installed and manual speed guns used in many locations. Tip 2. Try putting cover over extra lights for both bikes and cars. Tip 3. No car window films above permissible percentage, 70% in front and back and 50% in side windows. With new judgment, earlier they used to find them. And no curtains or shades. Coimbatore trip was also great, but due to construction along the highways and the traffic made the trip little tiresome and nothing much to show since in-laws were along with us, so unable to block. Traveling over Periyar River Bridge. Periyar River, a lifeline of Kerala, originating from Nilgiri Hills in Varkala of Kerala, part of Western Ghats, and discharges into Arabian Sea. It's major source of drinking water in Kerala. Plane spotting at our route. The city gates Kochi International Airport is nearby. Coming junction is Satani. From here we have to take a deviation towards right for Kochi International Airport. All these vehicles are waiting for a signal to turn right towards airport. From here, Thrissur is 40 kilometers and Salem 315 kilometers. Palakkad is now 89 kilometers away and Salem is 290 kilometers. We have passed through major areas where traffic is usually high. But since it's around 7 am, the roads are relatively clear. Our first toll plaza in Kerala, it's Palakkad Toll Plaza. Now Vadkancher is 28 kilometers and Salem 264 kilometers. Javannaman adequate. It's a canal carrying water over NH544. These were used for irrigation field in Thrissur, originated from Peachy Dam. Kuthiran Tunnel, a six-lane tube-shaped tunnel of around 1 kilometer, is inaugurated just few years back. Not exactly sure the year. It helps us reduce the transit time. As you gaze at the horizon, the white clouds resemble a blanket of snow covering the cliffs. These are Nilgiri Hills, located near Kerala-Tamil Nadu border. The route we are following runs between two majestic mountain ranges, the Annamalai Palni Hills towards southwest and the Nilgiri Hills towards north, through a natural pass known as Palakkad or Palakkad Gap. Close up view. It reminds me of the breathtaking landscapes of Jammu and Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, etc. Now the clouds are here, and at the horizon you can see the beauty. It's mind blowing. Red building towards left is Kerala RTO. This is Valayar forest surrounding, and you can see a railway track running along the road, indicating that Valayar border must be nearby. All the trains running via Salem to Palakkad route uses this route. We reached the Kerala Tamil Nadu border. Welcome to Tamil Nadu. Now the next will be Coimbatore, which should take another 20 minutes. NH544. Now Coimbatore is 21 kilometers. Bangalore or Bangalore is 376 kilometers. Now it's 9:45 in morning and we have traveled almost 160 kilometers. We started at 6 a.m. so we reached in 3 hours 45 minutes, which is not bad. Seems we are on time, probably reaching Tirupati by 6 in evening. Now E road is 94, Salem is 144 kilometers. Hopefully by lunch we'll reach Salem. E road is now 63 kilometers away and Salem is 124 kilometers. It's 11:30 a.m. and we are starting to feel hungry. We had our breakfast in Palakkad around 9 a.m. While reviewing our old footage, we realized that something was wrong with the video setting and makes it unusable. Google started leading us on the wrong route, causing us to take an unnecessary deviation towards the road city. However, after moving further, it again brought us back on track quickly. We are now crossing the Kaveri River, often referred to as the Ganga of South. It originates from Kaveri in Karnataka and flows through major cities such as Srirangapatnam, Bhimeshwari, and Ongakal in Karnataka. It then enters Tamil Nadu, passing through Tiruchirappalli and Tanjavur, which you may have seen in our Brideshwara temple trip. If you haven't watched it yet, be sure to check it out. After Tanjavur, it finally reaches to Bay of Bengal. Another distance direction board says Salem 47, Bangalore or Bangalore to 50 kilometers. We don't have to go until Bangalore. We'll take right at Krishnagiri junction and straight leads to Bangalore city. We had a little race with Porsche and overtook it. Just kidding. The driver was actually cruising at normal speed. कहाँ 1200 cc का ग्रैंड विटारा का इंजन? I'm pretty sure its engine cc is more than double of ours. If anyone knows which model it is, do comment it out. It's a Sangagari toll plaza between Salem and Kumarpalayam. From here, we have to take left towards Salem. Now we will be leaving NH544 and traveling to NH44. After traveling few kilometers, finally the turn came. When we have to take left, leaving NH544 and joining NH44 until Krishnagiri and join AH45. AH means Asian Highway Network, which runs from Kolkata to Krishnagiri. By name, Asian Highway suggests adjoining country connections. H45 after Kolkata reaches to Bangladesh. We have covered this highway in our Chennai tour trip. If you haven't watched it yet, be sure to check it out. Now Krishnagiri is 87 kilometers away. We had our lunch in Salem, enjoying paneer fried rice and paneer 65. The food was good, but finding a place to eat and navigating through city traffic took us around 2 hours. The view is so beautiful. We're passing over Tenpenai River. This river originates from Nilgiri Hills in Karnataka and flows through Tamil Nadu before emptying into Bay of Bengal. We are currently near Krishnagiri. A Krishnagiri dam is also built over this river. Reached Krishnagiri and took service lane to connect back to H45, saying goodbye to NH44. From below flyover, take right towards Vellore. Going straight leads to Bangalore or Bangalore. From here, Vellore is approx 120 kilometers away. It's getting dark and unable to take video during low light. Biggest challenge in vlog at night with a GoPro. Can anyone suggest what settings I should make for better video capture? We reached Vellore at 8 pm and had our quick dinner. Since chances of getting dinner after Vellore will be a challenge. Traffic near Tamil Nadu and Andhra border made us little slow, but we were able to reach Tirupati around 10:30. The trip was superb and enjoyable, but have to plan our food breaks more correctly. See you in our next vlog. Until then, travel safely, wear your seat belts, stay within the speed limit, and always wear a helmet while riding a bicycle and a motorcycle, both for riders and the co passenger.